Welcome today in front of me LG Q70 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google feature on this device. So first let's launch the Google application and then tap on the right down corner to more icon. Then go to the settings, click the voice section and tap the voice match. After that, you'll see here the OK Google switcher. Just click to the switcher to activate this option, and after that we should add our voice model. So click to retain voice model to assistant to recognize your voice, and now just say OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now just click to finish, and now one will say OK Google, Hey Google, Hey Google, OK Google, Hey Google, Hey Google. Okay, now it's worked. So by this way we can activate the Hey Google option on our LG device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.